Eastern Red Cedar. This is quite the unique tree. It has two different looks to it, which I find very intriguing. Some of the branches look like this. They're quite full. And some of them look like this. They're very long and stringy. It grows a berry. There's no berries on it yet. I think the berries will be coming soon. This is the first time I've been working with this tree. As you can see, there's some old berries on there. They're actually little cones now, but originally they were berries. So the berries are good to chew for mouth sores. The berries are very useful. The leaves, these things, they're like not a needle, they're a leaf. They are also very medicinal too, but taken in large quantities will give you an upset belly. So I'm going to use them to make oils for salves. They're great for acne. They're great for arthritis, pain, joint pain, muscle pain. So I'm going to make some oils and make some salves. I probably won't make tea with the leaf. You can, but like I say, you can't drink too much of it. It'll hurt your belly. But I'm waiting for the berries to appear, and I will get the berries and I'll make teas with that. So yeah, this is a really unique tree. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you'll be notified with new videos when they come up. I love this tree. I wasn't sure what it was for a long time. My friend Jessica helped me find out today what it is. And the funniest thing is this cat loves this tree. It gets up and sniffs on it and takes like huge big breaths of it. It loves it for some reason. I don't know. It's like always down by this tree, and there it is again, the cat. Love this tree.